efficiency to a new level. It's super smart, powerful, and fast. With the 55-watt CO2 laser, xTool P2 can cut 20mm transparent acrylic in one pass and enables you to create customized home decor and furniture that lights up your home. Two built-in 16MP cameras bring amazing intelligence to this machine. Easily drag your drawings to the right place you want and fill patterns on multiple objects in one batch. This largely boosts your business productivity in the busy season. Not only for flat objects, it also engraves on items with curved surfaces. With automatic surface scanning, 3D model building, and focal length adjusting, it makes engraving on curved surfaces as easy as on flat ones. It's fast and accurate. High motion accuracy always guarantees an ultra-fine result. With an enlarged bed size, it fits larger materials and can create larger projects. Want it even larger? You got it! The new Passthrough feature and Conveyor feeder make extra long material engraving automatic and extra easy. Here's our new riser base. It raises the machine and increases the inner height to 215mm, which perfectly suits a suitcase. Oh, and our rotary engraving accessory? It brings your creative designs to tumblers, mugs, spheres, and even rings. And again, it fits perfectly with your riser base. It's safe and easy to use. Everyone can master it in minutes and make their own creation. xTool P2 has a built-in air exhaust system. The smoke produced from laser cutting can be well exhausted. With smoke purifier, you can use it indoors without safety concerns. This is xTool P2. Super smart, powerful, and fast.
Hi guys, welcome to xTool YouTube Live. This is Twiggy.
This is Jasen, CEO of xTool.
I just received a news that we have nearly 1,000 people watching our live right now. Wow, that was so many people watching our live. I'm kind of nervous. Are you nervous?
Okay, I'm
okay. Yeah, because today is the official launch of our xTool P2 CO2 laser machine. Yeah, exactly, right? Guys, can we have a woohoo?
Okay. We have developing and testing this machine for nearly 2 years.
Yes, exactly.
And we are so excited today to release this new product.
Yeah, exactly. So we do have a little bit title for our xTool CO2 laser machine.
Yeah, some key points. So first, it's a 55-watt CO2 laser. This is, I think right now, this is the highest power on the smart desktop laser machines.
So that's why we would name xTool P2 as right now it's the world's strongest smart desktop CO2 laser machine. Okay, so you heard me right. Yes.
Yeah, and the size, the bed size also is I think it's the largest. It's it's 26
times 14
inches.
Yes.
And the working area also is very big. And the third thing is that the smart features. We have two cameras, built-in two cameras, two 16 megapixel cameras.
Yeah, we have two of that. And also, not only we have, so many unique functions, but we also have some other, function that our users are so excited about.
Yes.
For example, our auto pass-through function that you guys are so crazy about on social media because we send some videos over there, here and there. So you guys are so excited about that. And we also have the curved surface engraving, okay?
Yes.
And we also have batch processing with the world's strongest, smart desktop CO2 laser machine. So many exciting functions about this one.
Yeah.
So not only that we have, so many amazing functions, but we also come up with some very good news today. So about our, xTool P2 CO2 laser machine.
Yeah. So one good news is that our customers don't need to wait too much time for these machines. We already started manufacturing the machines.
Yes.
So the shipping, the first batch of the product will start shipping I think it's next week.
Next week, exactly. From
and
China.
the earliest customers who pay the full price will probably receive the machine in I think it's middle of
May.
next month. Yeah, middle of May.
Yes, exactly. So don't hesitate, because later we're also going to review the price, and you're also going to surprise about how good our price is. So make sure that you go ahead and check the link, and you can pay the full price, and you can be the earliest to receive the CO2 P2 laser machine, right?
Yeah.
So that's one good news. So another good news, because like xTool has been a brand, we also always listen to our customers, right?
Yeah.
So we know that if some customer are
concerned about the software,
are looking forward to purchase such a professional CO2 laser machine, so they probably have already previous experience working with some software, laser machine software, for example, like Lightburn, right? So our good news is that our P2 do support Lightburn software as well. Okay, so you can have cheer about that. And so previously we have two functions that is currently not supported,
not fully supported
so far. So it's the camera preview and the autofocus function. But unfortunately, the Lightburn team has reached out to us, and also our team has worked actively with the Lightburn team. So we will, looking forward to have some new updates about this two function to be, used in the very near future. But at the same time, while we are actively working on this issue, you do have our free software to use, which is our xTool Creative Space that does support the camera preview and autofocus function.
Yeah,
right?
So xTool Space supports multi-device. So this means you can use on the PC or on iPad or phone.
So here comes, as you can see, we have a little board right here. Okay. I'm pretty sure you guys are very excited to see the final P2. So first, we're going to come down to the stage because the P2 is so high. So we need to have to come to the front and show you guys the exact. Are you guys ready for it?
Yeah, let's see the real machines.
2, 3,
go.
Woohoo! So this is, as you can see right here. So this is the P2.
Yeah. This on the top is the P2 machine, and the bottom is the riser base. The riser base is an accessory. So we need to do some project. We need to use this riser base. But if you want the riser base, you need to buy separately.
Yeah. So the original height for our P2 is 71 millimeters, and with the riser base is 215 millimeters.
Yeah. So this means that the biggest thickness of the material that you can produce
can be extended, right?
Yes.
So now let's open this machine and let
see the inside of the
let our cameraman come here to see the inside of our CO2 P2 laser machine.
We have two cameras, and one camera is here, and another camera is over here. So this is for close
range.
Close range, yeah. Yes. So this will have the machine, the visual precision go to 0.3 millimeter.
Yes.
Yeah, we will show how they work in the later project.
Yes.
And
we also you can see as we have made of high quality material. It has a very beautiful, elegant finish. It has a matte finish right here, and so that is about the some functions or some parts about our P2. And also our P2 is very safe. So first one you can see right here, we have the hydraulic support. Okay, so will prevent the lead from coming down accidentally. So this will prevent you from hurting. And we also have this automatic lock right here. Okay, so when the P2 is in project, is working, so this can protect the machine and also protect you from
you cannot open the machine
from the lasering process.
Yeah,
exactly. And
so
we do have another one. I'm not sure if we're able to show that, but we do have an emergency stop button on the this thing's right here, so you can emergency stop button. Okay, so if anything happens, you can stop the machine immediately, right? And so another cool functions about this, so if we take this off, so this also is magnetic slat on, so you can easily take it off.
Yeah, you can see the air assist tube here. Yeah, so we have a built-in pump to have air assist.
Yes.
Yeah, so this will help you to have a very clean cut. And we also here you can see we are using not the honeypot, but what is called this is a laser slates. Yeah, you can easily take it out and set up.
Yeah, exactly. And also the
so this will makes the machines very easy to clean. And also the bottom plate, you can take out the bottom plate very easy and clean it up.
Yeah, and if you are a previous user of our M1, we also have different height from here. So you can adjust the base plate to different height. So according to the project that you are working on. So this is what we...
a riser base.
Yeah, riser base is what we define by a smart, right? So not only we have dual camera system, but we do also have different height for you to adjust. And this air assist will give a very good airflow in the whole machines right here. Will also let you have a cleaner, deeper cut, and also have a beautiful final finish.
Yeah, we have a built-in exhaust fan on the
back here?
Yeah, on the back side of the machine.
Right.
Yeah. So if you don't want to use a smart
smoke purifier.
Yeah, smoke purifier.
We also have extractive fan to help you with that.
Yes.
So don't worry about it. So that's about this whole machines right here. Okay. So right now I'm gonna close it. So right now here comes the big moments of we're gonna review the price for you guys. Right. So we're gonna come back to our stage.
Okay.
We're gonna come back to our stage here. So, so in our previous live stream, you guys probably know we have this activity. So if you pay $100 deposit, you know, I mean, this activity already ends like literally like, you know, yesterday. But if you pay $100 by then, you can get $1,000 off of our P2 machine. Because we know P2,
that's
like
very
the
good price.
CO2 laser machine is actually quite expensive on the market, right? So if you are those user who already pay $100 deposit, you can get $1,000, you know, discount. And after the discount, your final payment for the P2 CO2 machine will be $3,899. Okay,
yeah.
So that's your final payment after the discount, which is such a good price for CO2 laser machine. Okay, so first of all, we are the strongest smart desktop CO2 laser machine in the market.
Yeah.
And for those, you know, CO2 laser machine who's not have the strongest power, they are already sell this for like $6,000, right? $5,000, $6,000 easily, right?
Yeah.
So if you have already paid the $100 deposit, you can get $1,000 off. And after the discount, you know, your final payment will be $3,899. Okay.
Yeah, not only about the main machine, but we have very good accessory ecosystem for this machine. For example, the rotator attachment, RA2 Pro, and also the conveyor feeder.
And we also have the riser base as well.
Riser base, and also the smoke purifier.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. And so for those people who, you know, you missed the chance to pay a $100 deposit, don't worry about that. You know, during our live stream, you also can get a very good price about P2 as well, okay? Which is $4,199, okay, which is also such a good price for, you know, such a strong, powerful CO2 machine like P2, right?
Yes.
So for those,
and if you pay with a form, it's just 0 interest.
Yes, I was just going to talk about that, because we know a lot of people want to, you know, purchase a CO2 machine to kickstart their side business, right? So probably, you know, a couple $1,000 is a little bit expensive for you, but we also have a very good financial plan, which is a firm plan, interest-free. Okay, so if you spread out the payment to, I think it's 12 months, you only have to pay $300 per month. If you spread,
18 months.
Yeah, if you spread out to 18 months, you only have to pay $200 per month. Okay, which is also interest-free. Like you can literally take home the machine right here, like right now, and just, you know, pay $200, $300 per month, and you can enjoy the so many amazing functions about this P2 right here, right now, right? And also, as Jason has talked about, we have so many accessory bundles for you as well. Okay.
Yes.
So for example, if you want to purchase the riser base plus the conveyor feeder plus the RA2 Pro, can expand your creativity, you know, about, you know, using the CO2 laser machine. That price will be $999. Okay, you can save literally $227 on that bundle as well. And so if you are previously, you know, yes, I do have a little good memories about numbers. And so if you are previously already, you know, a xTool brand user, you probably already have RA2 Pro.
Yes.
So you don't have to purchase another RA2 Pro. Yeah. So we do have a separate bundle that includes the riser base on the conveyor feeder, which is $799. You can also save $159 on that. Okay, so make sure that you go ahead and check out the link. If you are, you know, already the user who already paid the deposit, you can enjoy at $3,899. And if you, you know, you missed the chance, but you can also enjoy it at a very good price at $4,199, which is such a good price.
A very good price.
Yeah, exactly.
So because of the manufacturing process we already started, but in the early stage, the manufacturing speed is not that fast. So if you pay the full price as early as you can, so you will receive the machine in the
middle of May, right?
Yeah,
in the middle
very early. So
and
it will be the earliest to receive the machines.
Yes, and plus if you buy, during our live stream room, we also give you $150 worth of acrylic, right? Because when we come out with a CO2 laser machine, people are been asking, can you cut acrylic? Can you do this with acrylic, or this acrylic and that acrylic? Yes, we can do that. And later we'll show you in the project.
Yeah.
And also we will give you 150 worth of acrylic as well, including 14 pieces of standard acrylic and 28 pieces of, sample acrylic as well. And make sure to share this live stream with all your friends out there, with all the, professional laser user, or just, people who are interested in laser machine, right? Because when we reach 2,000 people watching our live, okay? So we will
have one P2 machine for lucky draw.
Yeah, for lucky draw, exactly. So, okay. So how many people we have watching right now? Can we see? Okay, 1,300 people, right? Around 1,300 people. Okay, that's good. So make sure to share this with all your friends, because once we reach 2,000 people, we'll give away a free P2 machine, which the original price will be $4,099. Okay, 5,000 worth of lucky draw. That's our biggest lucky draw ever. Okay, and if we do reach, we set a number a little bit higher, like 4,000 people watching our live, right? Okay, we will give 2 P2 machine, right? Which is worth, I don't know, 10,000 worth of US dollars of P2. Okay, so make sure to share this with all your friends.
Hope we can reach 2,000.
Yeah. I'm looking forward to 4,000, and you're gonna give away 2 P2. So yeah, because I really want to give a have a P2 for our customer, because they're being so loyal and supportive. They're really giving us a lot of feedbacks about our new machines, which is no matter it's F1, P2, or our previous machines. So thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Right. So here comes the very exciting part, which we're gonna do the first project. That we have the function that a lot of guys are crazy about, which is this auto pass-through with the conveyor feeder, right? So let's
let's see the real machine work.
Come down on the stage and then change to this camera right here. As you can see right here, we already have the P2 set up with the conveyor feeder. And
you can see this is the conveyor feeder here.
Yes.
Yeah, we already finished the setup.
Yeah, because usually it takes some time, so that's why we want to do it beforehand, so you guys can see the exact process. So this board is 96 inches long. Okay, this board is 96 inches long. Okay, so right now we're gonna start to process this. Do we have our software ready? Okay, so right now with the press the button, and you will start to work.
Okay, it already started working.
Do we have the smoke purifier turned on? It already started to work. As you can see, it's passing through, right? So right here, you can see the percentage of your project right here. So you have several, things on the screen right here to let you see this is the automatic lock, and this is the percentage of the processing of your project.
Okay, this will need, I think it's 15 minutes.
Yeah, 10 to 15 minutes to finish this project, which will actually, because a lot of you guys are so interested about this, auto pass-through, right, conveyor feeder, which will actually do the first rounds of lucky draw.
Okay.
Yeah, so the first round of lucky draw will give away
Let's go to the stage.
Yes, let's go to the stage. Right, we will actually pick 3 lucky winners to win the conveyor feeder for 39 inches. Before that, I do want to talk about a little bit of the function of the conveyor feeder, right?
Yeah, it can support engrave and cutting, and also it can support hard material like wood, and also soft material.
Yeah,
like
soft material. Do we have soft material right here?
Yeah, this one.
Okay, so this is made of felt material, right?
Yeah.
Felt material. We made this mat right here, which is also very long. That is made by our CO2 xTool P2 CO2 machine with the auto pass-through function as well. Okay.
And the thickness of the material that this accessory can support, I think, is 14 millimeter.
Yes, 14 millimeters. Yeah, exactly. And also you have two, function to choose, two options to choose. You have 39 inches, and another one is longer that you can check out the link. And so you can depends on how big your room is and how big the project that you want to work on. You can choose from different size of the conveyor feeder. So, and right now we're gonna do the first rounds of lucky draw, which will be 3 lucky winner to win the 39 inches of the conveyor feeder. And the keyword, you guys already know our tradition, right? I'm assuming you guys already know our tradition. So what you have to do is, comment the keywords in the comment section, and our software will pick you up, and later we'll draw the lucky winner. So the keyword for first rounds of lucky draw will be conveyor. Conveyor. Wait. So how to pronounce? How do you pronounce it? I all of a sudden forget. Conveyor. Okay. Conveyor. Okay. Conveyor. Okay. Conveyor feeder. Okay. Conveyor. Okay. So make sure you go ahead and type this in the comment section, and we'll draw very, very soon. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna go to there to draw those people right here. Make sure you run the comments. Wow, we have 1,300 people watching our live right now. Guys, come on, share this live stream with all your friends out there, because once we reach 2,000 people watching our live, we'll give away a free P2, which worth $5,000. So right now we have 127 people joining our drawing right now, okay? So we don't, it's already 200, okay? So let's see if we can reach like 300, and we'll draw it quickly, okay? Because we want to show you guys the project. So just wait, conveyor, comments in the comment section. Okay, we have 17 people to go. Guys, let's go. Okay, let's draw. So the first winner will be, woohoo! Coachman! I know you! Wow, congratulations! He is a regular, customers and a regular, audience for our live stream, because I know this username. Coachman, congratulations, okay? So now let's draw again. And the second one will be, woohoo! Davey Wildman, congratulations. Congratulations. Okay, make sure to reach out to our Facebook, and you can win the lucky draw. And let's draw one more time, because we're going to pick 3 lucky winners of our lucky draw. Woohoo! Andy Foch. Yeah, I hope I pronounced your name all right. Okay, congratulations. Make sure to reach out to our Facebook Messenger, so we can, let you win, give out the message, your information, and we'll send you, the conveyor feeder of 39 inches right away. Okay.
Yeah.
So make sure, and also because we have such good price in our live stream room, and also for those people who already paid the $100 deposit, you can enjoy the price at $3,899, right? So make sure you go ahead and check the link and purchase the full price, because if you are the first to purchase the full price, you can get the, as early as the mid of May, right? Okay. So without further ado, let's get into our first project.
Yeah, the first project is to test the cutting ability of the machine. It's a 55-watt laser. So what's the cutting ability? So let's test on this board. This is walnut. Black walnut wood. It's a solid
and hard wood. Yes.
Yeah, and the thickness, we can see the thickness here. Yeah, it's 18 millimeter solid wood. So let's see if this machine can cut through this material with just one pass.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Let's go to the software. So you do have to adjust, the distance between. So I'm gonna place it right here. Right now, as you can see. So right now I'm gonna just close the lid, and let's go to the software.
Yeah.
And so we do have to refresh the software.
Okay, think everything is set. Okay, we use the power 100% and the speed is 2. So we need to use a slow speed to cut a very thick material. And yeah, the thickness is 18 millimeter.
So we can capture a close view to see.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay, so process.
Let's go to process. And let's hit process one more time. And let's hit this on our P2 right here. And we can see, you can zoom in on here. Are you guys excited for that? I'm excited for this. And as you can see, the smoke is coming from the bottom of the material, which means it's probably been cutting through. We don't know. Let's see the finally review moments. I'm like really enjoying the process as well. Guys, we're no longer doing the first rounds of Lucky Draw, so you can stop commenting the Conveyor. Yes, you can split the payment using our Affirm interest-free plan. Okay, give a little bit of time because you know the machine will extract the smoke, and later we'll open. I don't know.
Okay, let's see.
Well, there we go. There we go. It has been cut through very, very easily, and it also have a very clean and nice finish because, as we talked about, we have a built-in air assist for it to have a very clean and sharp cut, right? Okay, so that is the cutting ability of our xTool P2 with the black walnut, solid and hardwood.
Yeah, the surface is very clean with the air assist.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, there's no burn.
No burning marks, nothing. Yeah. And also, as you can see, because we have a very good airflow under here, there's nothing on the blaze plate as well. Okay, so that's a very safe and clean cut. Okay, so that's the first cutting ability of our xTool P2. And I know people are crazy about, you know, P2, especially for the, I would say for the acrylic, right?
Yes.
People are so concerned about, can P2 cut through clear acrylic, transparent acrylic? Yes, we can do that, okay? No masking or no burning marks, okay? As you can see, we have a very good clean cut.
Yeah, we know for diode laser, no matter how much power you have, you can't cut or engrave on transparent acrylic.
Yes.
But for CO2 laser, this is, I think, it is very easy for CO2 laser.
Yes.
And we can cut through even, so this is 20.
I think 20 millimeters.
Yeah, 20 millimeter.
Let's measure it.
Let's test. The thickness of the material is even thicker than the wood. So it's nearly 20 millimeter. Nearly 20. So this is 19.67.
Yes.
Yeah. So,
okay, so now let's test this as well. Okay, now I'm going to go to the software right here.
So we will cut a corner.
Make sure that you put the corner a little bit to the. I will cut here.
Yeah.
I'm going to cut, like okay, so let's refresh the software. Let's go to our software. So first, let's refresh it so the camera can see this. Okay, and now let's capture a closer view.
The thickness.
The thickness is 20, yes.
Make the line shorter.
Okay, so let me just zoom in a little bit. And let's make this line a little bit shorter. Let's unlock this. Let's make it to, I would say, 60.
I think 50 is enough.
Oh, yeah, actually. Right, you're right. Okay, let's move it to here to cut this little corner right here. Okay, and choose flat. Yes, that's good. And the thickness of the material is 20 millimeters, right? We've measured it before. And so let's go to process. And let's hit process one more time on our machine, on our software, and hit.
That's a start.
I love to see the transparent acrylic.
I'm a little nervous. I'm not sure if this time it can work.
Yes. Well, as I talked about, Jasen is not only the CEO of our brand, it's also the head project manager. So he has been the harshest critics of our products as well. That's why we have to come up with very good products that has a strong power. So Jasen, don't get disappointed. I can't really see from my side. Is it cutting through from that side?
I think it's cut through.
Okay, that's good. Because literally, before we put up a video, people think our video is fake because it looks too perfect to cut.
Yeah, let's see.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay.
I'm sure it cut through.
Give several seconds. Let's let the machine extract all the smoke and all the the dust from our project.
Yeah, when you want to cut, when you want to work on acrylic.
There we go. Okay,
material,
are you ready?
We suggest you to buy together with the smart.
This is how clean and how powerful our CO2 P2 machine is.
Wow.
It's such a very, very beautiful clean cut. And not only we have done this, so I'm just gonna let you zoom in a little bit, and this is the surface that we have cut from. Okay, and not only we have cut from these pieces right here, we have already tested on several pieces, several corners. Every piece has a very clean, very beautiful cut, and you can see it's a transparent. So before we have a video, we put this size big of like acrylic on the machine, and we cut through from the center, right? And the acrylic literally just like break into two pieces. We play that video, people think it's fake. It's 3D modeling or something. It's not fake, as you can see.
We are an honest brand.
Yeah, we're such an honest brand. It can cut through. If we say it can cut through, it can cut through, and it's just in one pass, right? You can literally see our cameraman just here. It's just in one pass. Such a beautiful and clean cut of transparent acrylic, okay? And you can also trust its ability to cut different type of acrylic as well.
Yes.
Right? Not only, the transparent one, but also color one, the thick one, the thin one. All beautiful, very, very beautiful thing. Okay, so that's the cutting ability of our xTool P2 laser machine right here.
For CO2 laser, I think it's very you can work on nearly any type of acrylic material.
Yes,
and
exactly.
If you are working with this kind of material, we suggest that you're using smoke purifier.
Yes, smoke purifier.
Yeah, because the smell, the
smell of acrylic
it's not very good.
Yeah. Actually, I do want to show you guys some of the project that we've done with the acrylic right here. As you can see, this is also made from our P2 CO2 machine, right? With different type of colors of acrylic. And we also have that right here. Yeah, on that one. Also, we have a very, very big one to show you guys later. So as you can see, not only we can cut through the thick one, but also have a very detailed one. This is very heavy.
This is a light.
This is also.
This is a light with a very thick, transparent.
This is also 20.
Acrylic. This is a 15. I think it's a 15 millimeter.
This is also 15 millimeters. Like you can see,
with engrave and
it also has some
vintage. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So if you clap it, it will like light up. But I don't know if you can see it very clear. And we also have different type of acrylic. Not only the transparent amount, we also have this like pastel acrylic, right? So we cut different pieces and put them together as well. Yeah, so heavy, right? And also you can make so many home decoration with xTool P2, right? So later, in our later live stream, we're also going to show you guys so many amazing projects that we can do with our xTool P2, right?
Okay.
So yeah, don't worry. So make sure that if you are the person who already purchased, you already paid the deposit of $100, make sure that you go ahead. It's another page. Go ahead and pay the final price of P2, which is $3,899. And if you didn't get a chance to pay $100 deposit, don't worry about that. You can enjoy the price also at $4,199. Okay. And if you purchase, the machine during our live stream, you can also get $150 worth of acrylic, right? Because our CO2 P2 laser machine is so powerful, you can literally cut through any type of acrylic of any standard size, any standard thickness, right? So we've tested like 20 millimeters, and you can also cut different type of acrylic as well, right?
So next project.
Yeah, we're gonna engrave. So like here's the things about P2. So P2 is very, very powerful, right?
And precise.
Yeah, but like don't. That's what we're gonna say. So it's very powerful, but right now we're gonna test the precision of our P2 because we talked about we have two camera system. We have the 16 megapixel dual camera, which will give you a very close view. So if you want to have just like precise, like a very precise letters on sort of like very thin material or like very tiny material. So the camera will help you tremendously in that kind of like situation, right?
Yeah. So the camera, we have the visual precision go to 0.3 millimeter.
Wow.
So if you want to engrave, for example, engrave on these small things, or say, so it's toothpick. Okay. Engrave on toothpick. I'm not sure if you're so familiar with this, but we use this a lot in China. So with normal machine, it's very hard to put your drawings.
Maybe you wanna show the cameraman like how we have this like. Can we measure this? Can we measure this as well?
Yep. Yep.
Oh, our measuring. Yeah. So maybe we can measure this.
We can measure the width of the of this thing is 1.7 millimeter.
Wow, literally 1.7.
If you want to engrave on these small little things, it's very hard. It's nearly impossible for normal machines.
Yeah, exactly. I mean,
because it's very hard to put your drawings on the object.
And also, because when you think about if it's like a machine that is so powerful, maybe they're a little bit lacking on the precision, right?
Yes.
But right now, we're going to show you not only we are the strongest power of our smart desktop CO2 laser machine, but we're also very precise. So right now, we're going to engrave on this toothpick, which is 1.7 millimeters. 1.7, right?
Yeah, 1.7.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. So I will set up the material. Use a kind of how to say that?
Gel. Yeah.
Gel. Okay.
Make sure that you have the flat side facing the
flat one. No problem.
是平的那个切面吗？
是。Okay.
就是那个平的那个。
Okay.
Make sure that it's like， 正好是。Okay, there we go. Now we have that fixed. Now let's go to our software. So first, you want to make
go to the software.
Yeah, let's
close very important to see how.
Let's make sure that first we have the close-up review, right? So let's refresh it. Now we have this, okay? So let's have a very close view of this. There we go. Now our smart camera is working right now.
You can zoom out.
So yeah, we can zoom in. Zoom in a lot.
And the picture also is very clear.
Yeah, very clean because it's a 16 megapixels dual camera. So we're gonna move this xTool onto the toothpaste. I think it's in the right position. Let me just adjust a little bit. Great. Does it look good to you? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's good.
Let's see.
Okay, let me zoom in a little bit more. And then you guys, so the xTool is exactly on the toothpick. And as you can see, the clear image, right? The quality of the image, because we have dual 16 megapixel dual camera to let you see very, very clearly, right? So I don't think we need to adjust the thickness. So let's just go to, process. And make sure you have your camera ready right here. So we gotta go press.
Ready.
Okay, now let's go. Maybe from the side. Wow, it's already finished.
It's very quick.
Yeah, that's how quick it is. So you didn't see this yesterday, right? Wow. Oh my God.
See the joint.
Because I already see it. Just wait a little bit. 2 more seconds. Okay. So let's open it. There we go. Can you see xTool on the toothpaste? I'm not going to move it. I'll just let you zoom in. Okay. I'm not moving it. Just waiting on you. Okay, so let me pick it up. Okay, let me pick it up. And there you go. So let me have my hands behind it. This is how precise our xTool P2 can be. So in our first tool project, you see how powerful it is, right? It can cut through 18 millimeters of black walnut wood, solid hardwood, 20 millimeters of transparent acrylic. Right now, it's engraving on such a small toothpick, which is 1.7 millimeters wide, right? Okay, so that is not only the powerful and also the precision of our P2, okay? So I don't know if you guys are so excited about it, because like when I see that toothpick, like engraved on such a tiny little letters on that, I'm just like literally my jaw literally dropped to the floor.
Yeah, when I first see this project, I also think this is very amazing.
This is unbelievable, because like
unbelievable.
Yeah, Jason likes to push it to the limits. Okay, so let's do what's the extreme our CO2 P2 machine can do, right? So Jason likes to push our engineers to the limit. So that's what you can get from our not only the power but also the precision of our P2. So and also our first project is actually done with the auto pass through. Now let's go there to see this project right here. Okay. So first we're gonna talk about a little bit about this. So make sure that you loosen this thing up right here. There we go.
Yeah, so
and
we
then
raise the wheel.
Yes. Yeah, and then you can easily move this. Okay. And I'm gonna need your help a little bit. So let's first try to.
Okay, we take it out.
Just be careful because this wood is a little bit soft. I don't want to break it. Oh, I forgot to do one thing. I was gonna ask you guys to guess what we're gonna actually engrave or cut on here. Yes. Okay. So. Okay, so and then maybe let's take the whole thing out, and later we can do the.
Yeah, we'll take the whole thing out.
Oh well, yeah, it does take you sometimes. It has been cut through, but it does usually take some. Be careful. We have several to be helpful people.
It's too long.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. There we go. Now we have to, manually pull. It actually already been cut through, but we just have to press these things right here. So let's do
put it here. We'll put it here. Okay, we'll take the.
Yeah.
Okay.
So because you have to set it, so this is very important for you to set tabs on this kind of like very long sentences right here. Because if you don't set tabs, like once you cut through them, little things will fall through the process, right? So it will stop the auto conveyor, the conveyor. Auto pass-through function. So that's why it's very important for you to set tabs. So that's why we are doing this by hand. So it has already been cut through, but just because we have set tabs to prevent the stop from the machine. So that's why we're doing this. There we go. We have the final one. Yes. Yeah. Now let's put. So, okay, actually here. Maybe here. Okay.
Okay.
This is very long. So it's xTool CO2 laser. Okay. Actually, I was gonna ask our audience to guess what we're gonna cut, but I forget about that. But yeah, anyway, this is xTool P2 CO2 laser. So this is 96 inches. Okay, which is actually much higher than both of us. So this is xTool P2 lasers. So this is such an amazing project. So when I first saw this, I was also blown away by not only the cutting ability, but also how smart the auto pass through is. Right? You don't have to do anything. You just literally make sure you set the pressure right. So you let it come pass through, and it will just do the job for you, right? So this will highly increase the precision, right? Because you don't have to manually, adjust everything. So you can just pass through because we have set up in our software, and also our hardware is ready to use this function. So that's such a good
this is
function.
The project that you cannot do
on
other machines.
I was wondering if we can put somewhere.
Yeah, go there.
Okay, let's just put there. Maybe we can also show this one as well. Just give me 1 sec. Okay, we have so many projects in here.
Okay, so we show some other.
This one. Yes. This projects. Is also a little bit complicated project that we also did with. Actually, it's like this. So we can show this way. So this is also.
This is I think it's 6 millimeter.
Yes. Okay, so this is a framing for a door, right? So if we put this way, And as you can see, you have so many like complicated design. So it has to cut through this and make sure it has very clean cut, and everything has to be very precise. So that's also the cutting ability and how
the precision
smart.
of the
the precision of our auto pass-through function.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside. So here comes the second part. Because if you want to use the auto pass-through function, you do have to use the riser base, right? So right now, here comes our second round of lucky draw, which will actually choose 3 lucky winners to win our riser base for xTool P2. And plus, make sure to share this live stream with all your friends out there, because once we reach 2,000 people watching our live, we'll give away 1 free P2, right?
Yeah, 1 free P2,
one free
for
P2.
2,000 viewers if we have.
For 2,000, and it's worth $5,000. No, I think we can do this. Let's do this. Okay, let's try to do this. $5,000 worth of P2, and it's our biggest lucky draw ever. So right now we're gonna do the second round of lucky draw, which will be 3 person to win the riser base for the xTool P2, and the keyword is people already know it.
They already know
it.
Riser.
They already know like riser. People are running. This is really crazy. Okay, you guys know me well. Okay, all right. Now I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go there.
We have 3 winners.
Yes. Okay, let's see how many people we have right now to join our. Okay, well, I have 152, 200, and 200.2. Let's go. Whoa, let's go. Let's just try to reach 300. It's not a very difficult. 259. Oh, 300. Draw. Let's draw.
We have 1,400 people are viewing here, but
yes. Oh
my God!
I know this username again. Like, this is our regular audience. Like,
you have very good memory.
Thank you. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching our live. Williams Adams, I've definitely seen this username before, so thank you so much. Now let's draw again. Woohoo! Jasen Stark, okay? Jasen, another Jasen. But it's not
Jasen.
E-N, it's O-N. S-O-N, okay. Jasen Stark, congratulations. For winning the riser base for xTool P2. Make sure to reach out to our Facebook Messenger, and let's draw again for our last rounds of lucky winner. Ooh! John Chuan? I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but congratulations to the 3 lucky winners for the riser base for our xTool P2. And the riser base is such a cool and crucial accessory for you to use the auto pass-through function, because you do have to rise the machine up for
and
for
also with a riser you can work in very thick materials.
Yes.
For the original machine, you can the max thickness of the material is I think it's 71 millimeter. With the razor, you can go to 250.
Yes, 250 millimeter. That will literally, because we come up with all the accessory because we want you guys to, we want to give you guys this amazing machine, and we will have this accessory for you to expand your creativity and the endless possibility that we want to see how you guys can come up with different type of interesting project with this one, right?
Okay.
And then later we're gonna do our, because we talked about our, auto pass-through function. We also have, 2 smart camera right here, and we also have another very interesting and very anticipated function, which is the curved surface engraving. Okay. Yeah. That is such a. I also I have to say, every function of P2, I'm like, my jaw dropped to the floor, literally. Okay. So right now we're gonna engrave on a ukulele.
Yeah, we will engrave on a surface like this.
Yes, exactly. This kind of surface right here.
Yeah.
Let's just go to the machine.
Yeah, we'll quickly set up the machine. So first we need to take out the laser slat.
Yeah, the slat. So let's do it quickly. Actually, we can do. And also, we're gonna move the base plate. We're gonna move the base plate to I think to 2A.
Yeah, you can.
4A actually 4A.
The camera can go here.
Yes.
Actually, we have a space. We have a space for you to put some.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
You can also put
the R82 Pro.
Yeah,
and also
R2 Pro inside.
Okay, but let's just take out. We're gonna use it very soon. Okay, so let's first adjust the base plate to 4A.
Okay, the base plate.
The base plate right here to 4A. So right now we're at
the base plate.
Yeah, so 4A right here. Yeah. So if you have used our M1 before, you know this function. And let's put this in this one. Right? So that's how we can set up our ukulele.
Okay.
Guys, our second round of lucky draw is down right now, so you don't have to type in riser anymore. Thank you, guys. So let's go to the software. I want you guys to zoom in. I'm here. I'm gonna basically talking about how can we do this. Okay. So there we go. So first, let's choose to our
curve processing.
Curve processing, yes. Let's first refresh it.
Okay.
And we'll make sure you will see the base plate at 4A. Yes.
So first we select the area.
Yeah, so we're going to
engrave.
Select the measuring range for our
So that's by mark the start point and the end point
yes.
of a rectangle.
Yes.
Okay, so here I move the red point. Okay.
Okay. I think it's more like, actually, let me give you a pen to mark on that. I think it's more like, yeah, move.
Okay, I know that.
Okay, cool. Because we want to make sure that the yes, I think that's
okay.
Good. Yes, that's good.
No,
that's good.
That's the start point.
So let's mark this as a start point, and now let's mark the end point. So once you see the machine kind of like blinking, like the light is blinking, which means it has already marked it. And let's go one more time. Oh, that's too much.
Too much.
Yeah, too much to go. Let's go back to like, just go maybe the start point is right. We just want to make sure let's not go like
200. It's 2.
70,
I make it 200.
Not 200. Maybe like 100. No. It's 30. Okay, let's go to the right. No. Sure.
Okay, that's
the start point. I think that's the start point.
Okay.
Let's mark one more time.
Point.
Okay, and now let's
It's 200. So the
okay. So let's go to the right twice. 1 and 2.
Okay, I think that's okay.
I think that's good.
Okay, and
let's go down maybe 45. Too much.
45.
Yeah, like 45. Let's try. There we go. And then that's good. And so you mark this as an end point. So this will be the marking the start point and the end point will give you a rectangular. And so that's how you will know the measuring range for our machine. And so right now, you have to set the rows and the columns.
It's easy now.
3 rows and 15 columns. So this is how it works, okay? So our machine will measuring the curved surface, like different heights of the curved surface, like the distance between the curved surface and the laser head. So, and it will simulate this curved surface in our software in 3D modeling. So this is how we can measure this, okay? So as you can see, it would take several seconds to complete the measuring process. It was measuring different points, the distance between different points on the curved surface, so it can simulate this curved surface on our software. So we do have to give like maybe a minute or so to let it.
Yeah, we need about, so that's one point is about 1 second.
Oh, sir. So here's some questions. So if you want to buy the bundle, you don't need to use actual coupon. You can literally just get the price, like literally get a price. For example, if you want to purchase
the surface here.
Oh yeah, exactly. So let's see the soft. As you can see, it has a very perfect
this is the surface that we want.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
let's hit down.
Finish. So here the red rectangle is the area that
we want to engrave.
Yeah, we want to engrave.
And we're gonna move
our
things.
Drawing.
Yeah, inside
here. The.
Yeah, make sure that you. I think
it's okay.
Up a little bit and just a little bit, and to the left maybe a little bit. 1, 2. Yeah, I think that's good. Let's see if we click out. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's good.
Okay, so the parameter.
The parameter is 20% power and the speed at 20. That's correct. And we're going to do this in one pass. We're going to choose engraving, right? Score. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So let's go to process.
Process.
And let's hit process.
Let's go.
And we're going to hit the process, the start point on this, our machine right here.
Yeah, push the button.
Wow. I love to see the process.
You can see the laser head up and down. Follow the surface.
Meanwhile, let me see the comment section so maybe I can answer some question. Cut. Let me see the comment section so I can answer some question. Yes. Okay. So yeah, you guys are so excited about this, right? So yeah, we have 2 types of order for you to order the accessories. So one bundle is for the RA2 Pro and the riser base and the conveyor feeder, which will give you guys a very good price at $999. You can save $227. And if you are, using the, if you already have an RA2 Pro, you don't want to purchase an RA2 Pro, you can also purchase our conveyor feeder and the riser base that you can enjoy that bundle at $799, okay? And you can save $159, okay? So go ahead and, purchase the link. If you already paid a $100 deposit, you can enjoy the xTool P2 machine at $3,899. And if you didn't pay that, it's okay. You also can enjoy a very good price, which is $4,199, okay? So such a good price. Make sure that you guys go ahead and check the link and purchase that as well, okay? I'm really enjoying this process right here. Wow. How do you guys like the POV kind of video, which stands for point of view? You're literally looking into our machine right here to see how it works. As you can see, the laser head is adjusting the focus, following the curved surface, right? According to the curved surface, according to the height that it has between the curved surface and the laser head, right? So it's so amazing.
You finished?
Almost. Just a little bit, just a little final touch on it. Okay, I think that's good.
Okay.
Let's just give a little bit time. Yeah, exactly. Great POV video, right? Wait. There we go. Okay, now let's see. Woohoo! Wow.
Wow.
Such amazing project right here. You guys can see the detail. I'm not going to move. I'll just let the cameraman do its work. You can see the details, right? Because I can feel it. I wish you guys can feel it with me. On this very delicate and very beautiful finish on this ukulele curved surface, right? So it's a curved surface, right? So our laser head was, auto-focusing and also measuring the different heights between this curved surface and the laser head. So that's how it can, simulate this curved surface and engrave perfectly on this ukulele.
Yeah.
I wish I could know how to play a song by ukulele. I only know how to play the guitar. Okay, so that's the ukulele.
You can also work on a complex curved surface.
Yes, as you can see right here. So this is, I think it was much more complex than the ukulele, right?
Because it has 2D curve. This is 3D curve.
Yeah, it has so many different, surface for you to stimulate this final things, right? So this is also another project that we did with the curved surface engraving. I think with the curved surface engraving function and also probably with the RA2 Pro, it can expand your creativity and the possibility that you can do with the CO2 P2 laser machine with so many different projects that you want to work on, right? And also, cutting the acrylic and everything. So that's another project with curved surface engraving, right?
Yeah.
Let me know what you guys think about
this.
This
is also
function.
the first time that you can see on a smart desktop machine.
Yes. So as you guys all probably know, if you are a regular user or like a regular audience of our, do you know how to play?
No.
Well, I know how to play the guitar. I haven't learned how to play the ukulele yet. I saw you're gonna put on a show since we're on the stage. So as you guys know that our xTool like to be a lot of words first, right? So we have the words first, blade head and laser head together in one machine. We have the words first 4-in-1 rotary RA2 Pro. We also have so many words first I can't really even count, right? So right now with our xTool P2, we have so many words first as well. Okay, so first it's the words first auto pass through. Okay, so I think this function is auto pass through. It's the words first, and with the the smart desktop like curved surface engraving, it's also a words first. And obviously not need to mention that we have the strongest power for our smart desktop laser machine as well. Okay, so as you guys know, we actually like to do a lot of words first. Thanks to Jasen, like to push the limit to our engineering to do the impossible.
Yeah, and also it's a very safe machine that you can place it in a workspace, in school.
Yes, in school as well.
And also it can support fire. This is the tube connector for fire
distinguisher.
Yeah.
The fire safety set. You mean the fire safety set?
So it's also compatible with the fire safety set.
Yeah, and also with the RA2 Pro, right?
Yeah.
So I do want to talk about the RA2 Pro a little bit because if you do have RA2 Pro at home, if it's M1, it's already compatible with our P2. But if you do have a D series RA2 Pro, don't worry. You can reach out to our customer service, and we'll give you a free one if you want to use this with P2. So our next project will actually be working with the RA2 Pro, right? So we're gonna
as Tricky mentioned, the connector actually is different from the
D series.
Yeah, D series. But if you have that version of RA2 Pro, you just go to our customer service and ask for a new connector.
Yes, exactly.
It's for free.
Yeah, exactly. So let's.
It's a lucky draw.
No, but do we reach 2,000 yet? People are just running crazy about our comment section. I'm sorry, unfortunately, we haven't reached 2,000 people yet. So make sure you share this live stream with all your friends. You guys can stop commenting P2 because we're not doing it right now. Because we only have to do it once we reach 2,000 people. Maybe later. Maybe we can reach it, right? Okay, let's work out our RA2 Pro.
Let's see the
and also at the same time, for those people who already purchased, put down a deposit of $100, you can enjoy the P2 at such amazing price at $3,899. And if you missed that, that's okay. You can also enjoy a very good price for our P2 in our live stream room for $4,199 plus $150 of worth of like acrylic material. Now we're gonna make sure that you have make sure that you there we go, and then screw it. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, for CO2 laser, you can directly engrave on the glass. So let's go to the software. Okay.
So let's make sure you refresh it as well. So let's choose laser cylindrical. I think that's good.
Yeah, everything is okay. Okay.
Let's go to process.
Just close.
Maybe we also have the camera inside this. Maybe you can see that. Okay, let's go ahead and start the project.
Yeah.
And I'm going to press the button. I'm just going to let team stand here a bit to let you see. Wow, I really like this process because like before we have diode laser, right? You can't really work on transparent glasses, right?
Yeah.
So this is our CO2 laser machine that can literally work on transparent glasses. As you can see, it has been engraved on like very, very clearly. I'm just like very enjoying This is such a therapeutic process. If you see the shadow and the light moving together with the laser head. Right, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy a little bit. So far, guys, can we stop type P2 so far? Please. We'll let you guys know once you can do that, okay? Once you can do that. We have 1,300 people watching our live right now. We haven't reached 2,000, but maybe we'll give away a P2 later in the live stream. Maybe we'll do that, but stop commenting P2 right now, okay? Because later I'm going to change a keyword. If you guys keep commenting P2, I'm going to change a keyword. What if the keyword is not P2, right? Wow, oh my God, this is so amazing. Guys, maybe I'll change a keyword, so stop commenting P2, okay? Maybe I'll change a keywords and then your P2 won't be available for the lucky draw. Wow, that is amazing. Like the process, I'm enjoying this right now. Yeah, and while, this project that keep on working, I'm just gonna keep talking about some, amazing functions about our P2. So right now, first of all, we're talking about this auto pass-through, right?
Yeah.
And we also have the curved surface engraving, and you can also cut like this, 18 millimeters black, wanted, solid, and hardwood. And we also have the acrylic. Here's the acrylic, 20 millimeters acrylic right here. So I hope you guys can hear me clearly. Because we do have the fan coming out from here. So yeah, and we also have done some, with our i2 Pro. Because before, with that dial laser, you can't really engrave or mark on glasses, right?
Yeah, I think all transparent material or dial laser cannot.
Yeah, because I think it's because it can't receive the laser energy, so that's why it can't really engrave or
absorb the laser energy.
Right, but with the CO2, it's such a powerful. Work with all type of acrylic, right? So we also have, as we will show you guys before, here are some, acrylic project that we have done before that you can, also use our P2 to cut different. I'm just thinking about the possibility of how our user can create with our xTool P2, right? So many furniture made with acrylic, different type of acrylic with so many colors, and we also have our own, acrylic bundle, which you can also purchase that as well. And also, I think we haven't talked about this yet, did we? No.
Yeah. So that's the we need to mention. So with powerful CO2 laser, so this is so we make a comparison.
So I think this way.
Yeah. This way.
Okay. So this is the
this is the P2.
P2, right?
This is the D1 Pro 40 watt. This is 55 watts.
So if we both run this at 100%.
Yeah. The speed, if you want to cut through the 3 millimeter base wood, the speed can go to 35 millimeter per second. If you want to cut through the with the D1 Pro 40 watt, the speed can go to 10 millimeter per second. So that's 3 times faster.
Yeah. So our P2 is 3 times faster than 40 watts,
and
6 times faster than 20 watts. Okay.
Yeah.
So because we're so powerful, we only compare to ourselves.
So not only a CO2 laser extend the material that you can choose, but also improve the efficiency.
Yeah, efficiency of you working, right?
Yeah.
So and because we know that a lot of people want to, use such a, a good machine, to expand your business, right? And we also have this right here. This is the efficiency of our P2 machine to cut through the 3 millimeters acrylic, right? As you can see, you can have a very beautiful clean cut.
Yeah, with 25 millimeter per second speed, you can cut through
so
the acrylic.
So fast. Okay. So also our last project is done. Let's go ahead and check it out. Okay. Now let's open it up. So we do need something to
the
clean
voice
it.
when the machine is working, the voice is a little louder than the diode laser. But I think it's actually it's slow compared. It's lower
than other CO2 laser machine, right?
Yes.
So we do have to clean it a little bit because it does have a little bit excessive from the glass. There we go. So we have do so many tests on this as well. So so this is the one that we just did before. And as you can see, it has a very beautiful and clean cut. So now, right now, let's put it
on this.
Be careful. On this right here. So this is the one that we just cut before, right? So let me tilt it a little bit. And this is, let me remind you, this is transparent glasses, right? So that's what our CO2 P2 can do, okay? There we go. Okay, very beautiful, very finally, very beautiful touches on here. How do you guys think about this function that we can use our R82 Pro to engrave on transparent glasses? What? And that's amazing, right?
Okay, let's see how many people we have.
So Jasen.
Yeah, we have more than 1,300 people, and we decide to
give away.
Give away a P2. Even we didn't reach the 2,000.
Yeah, because we really appreciate your support.
So many people are watching for our live stream.
Okay, right now you guys can spamming
later we have 2 videos from our users.
Oh yeah, we do have 2 video from our users. Let's guys stop it for now. We're just gonna play the video.
Yeah, we see the video first.
Some of you know me as Shar from Shar's Craft Haven, and I've had the privilege of being a beta tester for this machine for the past month or so. Here's a short highlight list. A full review and more videos are going to be available on my channel, Shar's Craft Haven. So let's get to it. There are a few things that I'm most excited about seeing xToolers use. One is that there's dual cameras. There's an all-bed camera, which is pretty standard for laser machines, and then there's a close-up camera. The close-up camera in the laser head is a game changer. The close-up camera is actually mounted in the laser head and quickly travels and takes a picture in the software so that you can place things exactly. I wasn't sure how this would work, and I played around with some scrap, and I found that within a 10mm diamond, I could fit 5mm squares with less than a millimeter between them. I feel like this is a huge deal for a few reasons. One, it allowed me to line up jobs when it hadn't cut through in one pass. So when I was doing material testing, I was able to go back. Even after having taken the object out, I was able to put it back in and line up with the close-up camera and go again. So much less waste because of the close-up camera. The second piece that I'd like to highlight is the ability to do things that are larger than the bed size. Not only is the bed size larger than most desktop lasers, there's also an auto feed attachment, which allows you to automatically use pass-through to make even larger items. To make large Easter Bunny heads for a local kids club. The thing that made me laugh out loud when I was testing material testings was I started with my 40-watt settings, and then I just kept going faster and faster and faster and seeing it cut through in one pass and cut through in one pass, and finally got to the point where I was cutting through 3mm Baltic birch at 40 millimeters per second. So that's almost 2 inches a second. One pass cutting through, and it wasn't even on full power. I could also cut thicker materials in a single pass that before took me 2 passes to get through, like 6mm Baltic birch plywood and 6mm acrylic. I was blown away how different 40 watts feels from 55 watts. Beta testing is an ongoing process, so some of my cons or some of my lowlights or drawbacks hopefully will be mitigated or will be enabled by the time you receive your machine. I am super excited for curved surface mode. It hasn't been tested externally to date, and so I wasn't able to test that feature at all. That's it. I'm really excited to venture on with you as we continue our journey with the P2. I have my own review that's going to be coming out on Shar's Craft Haven, and I'm also going to be doing a live stream later on in the week where I'll answer your questions and hopefully give you an even better idea of what is possible with this machine. Thanks xTool for inviting me to give you my preview thoughts, and we will see you next time. Have fun lasering.
Hey guys, Michael here. I am here and so excited to share with you xTool's latest and greatest desktop laser engraver. This is their P2 55 watt CO2 intelligent desktop laser engraver. So unfortunately, that's all I can show you on the P2 right now. There's some amazing things you can do with this, and I only scratched the surface. xTool, thank you so much for letting me be a part of this premiere tonight. And for those of you that don't know me, my name is Michael Roeder. I'm with Monkey Woodworks. You can find me on YouTube and in the Facebook groups. Until then, I'll see you next time.
Okay.
Okay, guys, how do you like the video? So that is the P2 that we sent it to our users. So they have really test all the functions with us, right? And also in our laboratory, we also have tested so many times. So we want to make sure to give you the most perfect and also the world's strongest CO2 laser machine out there in the market, and it's in such a good price, right?
Yeah,
so if you pay the $100 deposit, you can enjoy at $3,899, and if you didn't pay that, that's okay. You can also enjoy at a very good price at $4,199. Okay,
yeah,
and also
don't wait to pay the full price, and you will be the earliest to receive the machine.
Exactly, in the middle of May. Okay,
start from the middle of the May.
Yes.
Yeah,
so,
but if you pay the order, we will ship the order
according to your payment order.
Yeah, depending on the payment time.
Yeah, exactly. And also we did some activities before. So here are some winners for, because like each week we have a questions. So for example, our first
Facebook group.
Yeah, on Facebook group we asked about the first question. I think it's like, what is the function after in our video? I think it's auto pass through. And the second is like we ask you how long can we maximal cut, right? And it's I think 3 meters, right? 3 meters long. And we also have asked you guys how thick can we cut a transparent acrylic in one pass, which we did today, which is 20 millimeters, right? We have so many questions. So here are some questions. Wait. So this is for those people who got 3 questions right, okay? 3 questions right. Here are the users. I hope you guys can see it. So it's Dennis, and it's Wendy, and it's Yahoo xTool. So those 3 people can win RA2 Pro for xTool P2, okay? So this is for the person who got 3 answers correct, okay? 3 answers correct. And we do have another winner that we chose from 233 people participating in answering our question each week. We choose 5 lucky winner. That you got the answer right. Just one answer right is okay. So this you can win the riser base. Okay, I hope you guys can see it. It's Patria, and it's Rymby. I think it's Ling. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce your name. But you can see it from the screenshot and reach out to our Facebook messengers, and we'll send you the gift. Okay.
We have a very good, very active Facebook group.
Yes.
Yeah, a lot of users are inside in the group. So you can see the real feedback about our brand, our product.
Yeah, so these 5 people can win the riser base. And these 3 people can win the RA2 Pro, okay?
Okay, let's go to the exciting moment. Yes, as I said that.
It's like people have already been spamming our comment section like crazy.
Yeah, we are going to give away a P2.
Yes, which worth $5,000. The biggest lucky draw ever on our live stream, okay?
It was nearly $5,000.
$5,000, yes. Okay, you guys know the keyword P2. Okay, let's go.
The keyword is P2. Let's see who is the winner.
But what do you want? Let have to the comment section run a little bit.
Wow.
So how many people we have joined this? Oh, we have 280. Let's see if we reach 500.
I think 500 is too hard.
I think so 100. So right now 318, 367. Let's go. Let's just wait a little bit. I want you guys to have the equal chance to win. To potentially win the xTool P2, which worth $5,000. Okay, $5,000. 448. 50 people to go.
Yeah, 500 people.
Okay, let's wait to 500. Let's go. Wow. I'm blown away. Okay. So, draw. Okay. Oh my God, 540.
Okay, who is the winner?
You guys ready for the biggest woohoo for our lucky winner?
Who is that? Darren F.
Congratulations for winning xTool P2 CO2 laser machine, which is the world's most powerful smart desktop CO2 laser machine out there. Oh my God, it's crazy. Yeah. Congratulations. Make sure to reach out to our Facebook Messenger so we can give you the prize. The most powerful, the strongest xTool P2. Okay. And a lot of you guys have also been asking about how about medals, okay? So don't worry about that because we do have limited time on each of our live stream.
But we can show.
But we can show you guys some of the metals that we already engraved on.
Yeah.
So here.
This is what is that? Steel.
Yeah, it's stainless steel.
Yeah.
Stainless steel.
And this is metal with
plated. Gold plated. I already know what you want to ask.
This is aluminum.
Yes.
Anodized aluminum.
Yes, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this kind of plated metal.
Yeah,
we can also show you guys how to actually mark on the metal, not engrave, right? Mark on the metals. Okay, so later in our next live stream, we will actually show you guys how to do that because we do have limited time on our live stream. So yeah, I do want to thank you guys for enjoying our live stream and also all the lucky winners. Guys, we can stop P2. There's no more P2, okay? There's no more P2, okay? Congratulations to that winner. And we do want to emphasize a little bit on all this amazing function of our today's, launch of our xTool P2. Okay, so let's go through them. So first, it's the world's most powerful smart desktop CO2 laser machine, which have
is a 55 watts CO2 laser. It can cut through 18 millimeter
black walnut wood, solid and hardwood.
Yeah, and also 20 millimeter transparent acrylic.
Yes,
in
and also
one pass.
Exactly, in one pass. Like
and then it has a dual camera with 16 megapixel, and it can go the visual precision can go to 0.3 millimeter. So you can
also have a very good memory, Jason.
You can engrave on the toothpick.
Yes. Yeah, toothpick, right? Like we literally show you guys how tiny that thing is, right?
Yes.
Because usually when it comes to like a very powerful laser machine, that you would expect the precision to be quite bad. But like with our P2, not only we have the powerful, but we also have the precision, right? It's like the perfect boyfriend. Not only they're strong, but also they're very caring. So that's with our P2. It's like a beast, but also very caring. Right. So that's
the bed size also is very large.
It's the largest actually for the smart desktop CO2 laser as well.
And it also has a very good ecosystem of accessories.
Yes. For example, we have
auto
pass-through with the Conveyor feeder. We also have
the Pro rotor attachment.
Yeah, and also we have the riser base. Remember, if you want to use the auto pass-through, you do want to use the Conveyor feeder.
Yeah.
So for that, you have two options. We have 39 inches. We also have a longer one. Depends on how big your project is, and you can choose different size.
Yes, and also smart purifier.
Yeah, smoke purifier as well.
Smoke purifier, yeah,
exactly. So for those people, I do want to remind you, if you already, pay $100 before.
The fire safety set also is compatible.
Yeah, compatible right here. Yeah, with this machine right here. So as we talked about, not only we use a very good material on our xTool P2, but as you can see, it's a very safe and enclosed space for you to work
the camera
safely.
can go to the back side of the machine. We can see some connectors here.
I'm not sure. Yeah, I think so.
You can go here. Let me take it.
Yeah, so this adapter right here. Now Jason has become the cameraman. Maybe we can show the front view. This adapter right here is for fire safety set.
For fire safety set.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. Now you can pass back to the back camera. Thank you for being our cameraman for 15 seconds. Yeah, so that's just so many amazing functions about our P2, right? So I do have to remind you, if you are the person who already put down a deposit for $100, you can enjoy this world's most powerful smart desktop CO2 laser machine at final payment of $3,899, which is such a good price. And if you happen to miss to pay the deposit, that's okay. You can also enjoy
a very good price.
Exactly, which is $4,199. Okay, such a good price. And also we have the bundle free to purchase as well. For example, we have the riser base, the Conveyor feeder, and with the RA2 Pro, which you can enjoy $999 to enjoy $227 off on that bundle. And if you already have an RA2 Pro at home, you can just buy the Conveyor feeder and the riser. You can enjoy it at $799, and you can enjoy $159 off on that bundle. Okay?
Yeah, and you see the performance of the machine. It's very strong, very smart, and you don't need to worry about the quality and reliability of the machine.
Definitely.
Because we spent nearly 2 years developing and testing this machine, and and also the manufacture process also is very smooth for us. So if you pay the full price right now, you will receive the machine as start from the middle of next
May.
month.
Yeah, I would say like every process that we have, you know, the amount of time that was spent on this machine, and also the manufacturer, everything is just so mature, right?
Yes.
So we can, you know, for you guys to, we want you guys to use this as early as possible.
Yeah, this is our second generation of CO2 laser. We have a lot of experience on developing and manufacturing and testing a machine.
Yeah, if you
so
don't know,
you can trust the machine. I'm very confident with the machine.
Definitely, even I've only been in xTool for like less than a year, but I already know xTool, you know, has used the first generation of the CO2 laser machine to work on education, working with so many professors, with students. So that's why you see we have not only have a very powerful CO2 laser machine, but we have an enclosed safe space, because our first generation of our CO2 laser has worked with, you know, students. We want to make sure they have an enjoyable experience in using our CO2 laser machine. So don't worry about anything about, you know, safety or anything. Just go ahead, you know, enjoy this payment of like, you know, final payment of $3,899 if you put out a deposit. If you haven't, you can enjoy $800 off to enjoy the CO2 laser machine at $4,199, which is such a good price. I do have to remind you. So I guess that's all for today's
that's all for
stream.
today. Hope you like it.
And I'll see you guys on the next one. We'll give you so many more exciting things to come. And I'll see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.